Hello everyone, my name is Inferno Viper 11 and today I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to set up your characters with Tupperbox. So first we're going to do so this is for creating a character. So we're just going to do TUL apostrophe help, and that'll pull up all our stuff. Now just to for basics, we're going to do the register right here. I'm going to type TUL apostrophe register. So that's going to pull up this section of it. So the way it works is you type TUL register, then the name, and if the name involves more than one word in the name, then you put it in brackets. And then you use the brackets for like how you want it to be said. So we're just gonna like register a Minecraft Steve character. So do TUL apostrophe mark register Steve. Give him a capital because it. And then for the text, you just go. Just type whatever you want like to trigger the bot, and then you just do Steve text or however you would like, and then you press enter, and that should, okay. So now we have a bot named Steve. So if we just type Steve hello friends, Steve should respond, and it will delete what you said so that it's like just the character being said that. Now to give these characters like profile pictures and stuff, you want to first find a picture. So I'm just going to open up my files, and we're going to go to downloads, and I got picture Minecraft Steve. And so what we're going to do is we're going to copy the link to this picture by just right clicking and then copy link. And then what we want to do is for the avatar side of the command, which is right here, let's just type TUL apostrophe mark avatar. Now it brings up the avatar commands. So what you want to do is, if you can't, like, it doesn't always work if you just upload the file with the text. So I copy the URL. And so what we want to do is TUL apostrophe mark avatar. Make sure all the caps are matching. Avatar Steve. And then paste in the URL. And then avatar changed successfully. So then we just try it out. I'm looking good. Now Steve says I'm looking good. So yeah, that's how you make a bot, and you can choose whatever brackets you want or how to trigger the characters. I have actually quite a few made. It's pretty fun for role playing and stuff. And so yeah, that's how you set up your characters with the Tupperbox. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you later.